Hello friends, day 136, and I started off having a big breakfast at the Premier Inn. They do an unlimited breakfast, so I made the best of that, I can tell you. Lots and lots of food, which kept me going till way into the afternoon. I started on the Exe Valley Way today, which I thought would be all woodland and following the river, but in fact, although it started off like that, it then became a bit of a road walk, and I've climbed pretty much 2,000 feet today, so ended up with quite a lot of climbing, and it was pretty hot, so I had to drink lots of water as usual. And I've also bought some more Factor 50, which I haven't needed until I got down to the Lake District, but I do need it now. Met some lovely people in Yeoford and had lots of lovely chats, and I'm spending the night here. The wonderful team at the Duck have allowed me to camp on their lawn, and I'm going to go and have dinner there. So let's have a look at Devon, and I will see you on the trail. This is my room with a view tonight, next to the stream and right next to the pub, where very shortly I'm going to go and have dinner.